Okay, these are very straightforward. When you're dividing two powers with the same base, you keep the base and you subtract the exponents, 11 minus 2, to get your new exponent of t to the ninth d. Here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to subtract the exponents. So we get y to the negative 2 minus 5, or y to the negative 7, which, since we have a negative exponent, we're going to move that to the bottom as a positive exponent of 7 and put a 1 on top, and that's c. And for this last one, what we're going to do is we're going to deal with each piece of this separately. We're going to deal with these c's separately from these d's. Okay? So the c's in blue, d's in green. Let's do the c's first. We've got c to the 9 minus 14, d to the negative 7 minus negative 10. Be careful on this. You've got to subtract that negative. Same thing as adding the positive. Okay? What does that look like when we resolve it? It looks like c to the 9 minus 14 is negative 5. D to the negative 7 minus negative 10 is the same as negative 7 plus 10, or 3. And when we simplify that, the d to the third stays on top, and the c to the negative 5 moves to the bottom as c to the positive 5. And that's what we get as our answer, and that is C.